Hello everyone, I'm Orijit Sharma. Welcome back to my studio. Today I'm gonna draw an experimental portrait. This portrait is not about realism. This is about combining two energies into one face. A human face and the strength of a horse. Let's see where the experiment takes us. Every portrait starts with simple shapes before I think about details. I focus on balance and composition. The human face brings emotion and expression. The horse symbolizes freedom, instinct, and strength. Combining them into one portrait is a challenge because both need to feel connected rather than separate. This is where the experiment begins. The masking tape is not just protecting the paper, it is becoming a part of the composition. Instead of hiding mistakes, I am using empty space as a design element. Sometimes the most interesting part of the drawing is what you choose not to draw. Expression is everything. Without emotion, even the most detailed portrait can feel empty. I spend more time on the eyes, the mouth, and the small changes in light because those details are what make the portrait feel alive. I want this artwork to make people stop for a moment and wonder what the story is. Charcoal is one of my favorite medium because it responds to every touch. A soft stroke can create atmosphere while a dark layer can completely change the mood. Now I am refining the drawing and making small adjustment. Tiny changes in contrast and drawing can completely transform portrait. This is always my favorite stage because the artwork begins to reveal its own personality. And finally, it's time to remove the masking tape. This is the most unpredictable moment. The clean white shapes immediately changes the composition and give the portrait a fresh rhythm. Every experiment teaches me something new, whether it succeeds exactly as planned or not. If you enjoy traditional art, experimental portrait, and creative storytelling, consider subscribing and joining me on this journey. I will see you in the next artwork.